Alrighty, what's going on today, you guys? So today I'm going to be talking to you about the KRK Rokit G4 versus the Yamaha HS8. These are two really great monitors from really great brands. Yamaha and KRK are probably two of the big heavyweights when it comes to mid-range studio monitors. The whole point of a studio monitor versus a regular speaker is to provide really accurate sound for your mix, so that you can make the most accurate mixing decisions possible. So really, we got to keep that in mind when we're deciding. People really often mistake monitors with speakers. Monitors are just a completely different breed altogether. And so when you're trying to find the best, you really need to make accuracy your priority. Now, for a long time, the KRK Rokits were known to struggle with low-end frequencies. It was just something that was known. Cool thing is, we're on generation 4 at this point, and honestly, I think KRK has come a long way. For many years, I would have 100% told you Yamaha's far over KRK Rokits, hands down. But now that they're really kind of working at the same level, the big question is, which one is better? Which is kind of why I want to go over this. So to start, there are a lot of similarities between the two. Both of them are powered speakers. Both of them are bi-amped. Both of them use 8-inch low frequency drivers and 1-inch tweeters. The main differences come into play with the type of material that they use. So the KRK Rokit 8 G4s, they use a Kevlar, really nice and tight sound. And it has like a little rubber surrounding here. Really bounces, makes the low end nice and punchy. The Yamahas also, or they use a cone, which it's a little more rounded. You're definitely not going to get the same punch that you do with these, but it helps deliver a more, I guess, a flattened mid-range, in my opinion. The KRK Rokit G4 8s are much louder. They are 135 watts, while the Yamaha HS8s are 75 watts. That is the low frequency. The high frequency, low frequency versus high frequency, it's about 68 watts on these KRK 4s and 45 watts on the Yamaha HS8s. In terms of the actual frequency response, they're pretty much the same. This is they go about 2 hertz lower than the Yamaha HS8s, although when you're getting into that territory, it's not going to make a huge difference anyway, unless you're working with a sub. But I wouldn't start picking apart the little details at that point. For the Yamaha HS8s, they've really been a long-standing favorite of mine. They're great. They're really well known and loved throughout the music industry. And I would say that if you're going for reliability and something that's like a really proven studio monitor, definitely go with the HS8s. They have a really nice, accurate, and natural sound representation overall. They do have room control and high trim switch features that are nice for kind of helping you to customize your speakers to your room. Although they don't have the LED EQs like these have, so these give you a bit more control. I would say if you're up for trying something new, and you're maybe you struggled with trying liking KRK Rokit monitors in the past, but you want to give these G4s a chance and make the most out of them, I would highly recommend picking up a pair. They've gone so far, or they've come so far, I should say, since the beginning. When it comes to the frequency response, the nice tight low end, the fact that they have forward firing ports, and the fact that they have the digital LED EQ on the back for your room frequencies. It's just such a great package now, and they also cost a lot less. So, you know, if we were going to do a KRK Rokit G4 versus the Yamaha HS8 at this point, surprisingly enough, I'd say go with the KRK Rokit G4s. Yeah, that's pretty much it. If you guys have any insights into which one you like more, or if you have any questions, please feel free to leave them in the comments. All right, take it easy.